What's up, guys? Just want to go through my plumbing bag with you now. This isn't everything. This is more of like a fix leaking pipes and type kit. But it's general plumbing. I'm going to start off with my pipe cutter. I freaking love this thing. Works awesome. No complaints. I really like that. Next up, just got a little kit with some flux and packing nut stuff and grease for stems, solder, some fittings. Got the Blue Monster. These fire retardant cloths. At home, I have a piece of tin that I like to use better than those. Deburring tool. My Lennox Knife. I actually really do like this knife. Takes a little while to get used to. It's been very good though. Let's see what I got on these. Lennox pipe cutter. Another Lennox pipe cutter, smaller one. Some brushes. Alright, going inside, got a little come along 16-foot tape measure, high visibility. I like that tape measure. Got a 10-inch diamond tool, forged in USA. Crescent wrench. Lennox snips. So I'll just start throwing this stuff back. Have a 8-inch crescent wrench. Alright, got 11-in-1. Got a Falcon Proto pipe wrench. Got a little Lennox pipe wrench, 8-inch. It's for the torch. I also got this tip for map gas. This tip for the regular. Got my bottle regular propane. Blue Monster pipe dope. My Wild pump pliers. Go Plus pipe wrench, 14-inch. Lennox pipe wrench, 12-inch aluminum. I like this thing a lot. Got a Stanley 12-inch crescent wrench. Haven't really had to use that yet, to be honest. Alright. Now we have the Communit X Pliers, which have been awesome. Even these little guys, you know, they come in handy. Communit X. I gotta say, I do like them. Very nice. This one's a cheapy pipe cutter, but it's for black pipe. Some Sawzall blades. Some more Sawzall blades. Lennox has these nice ones for cast iron. I like those a lot. Diablo has them too. Got a hammer, plumb hammer. This is freaking awesome. I didn't think I'd like it as much as I do. It's the auto cut. You'll see this at Home Depot. Works very well. And some matte gas. So that's it. Not really much to it, but that's what gets me through most jobs. And catch you guys on the next one.